Hello, my name is Johnny Rulon from LearnersToDevelopers.com, and this is the 7th video in the HTML Basics course. This is also the last video before our next series begins, which is in CSS. After this video, I think it'll be a good point to stop and go and learn about CSS and some of its styling techniques. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to be working with the copy.html file that we created in the last video. If you were following along, you should have something similar to this rendered out as your copy.html file. So let's go back, and now I'm going to take out all of this between the body tags. So I'm just going to take out all the information between the body tags. First thing I want to explain is the paragraph tag. Now the paragraph tag is just a P starting and closing tag, and collecting this is my okay. So this is a basic paragraph tag, and there's nothing too special going on here. But I just want to show you there's nothing special about a paragraph tag. Let me reload that. It's just gonna display text. It's just like a div tag, but it can be easily used to denote a paragraph. And if you create another paragraph tag up here, it'll create another paragraph and just insert the text in there. Now let's take the paragraph tag away too. Well, actually, let's keep that. I'm going to include a horizontal rule. Remember, that's just a horizontal line right between the two paragraph tags. I'm going to save that. I'm going to render out the page again so you can see it. And now I want to show you something. HTML pages only render out HTML tags. And here's one thing I want to show you. Whatever spaces that you see around here, like this space, and this space, and you could actually include all this space over here. Just for example, I'm going to save this, come here, and I'm going to load it. It's not going to change a bit. If you look at the view source, it's actually going to show you the amount of space created over here. But it's not going to change the actual rendering of the page, because when the page renders out HTML, it actually ignores all this space, all this empty space over here. Let's delete that. If you want to include a space, what you're going to have to use is a break tag, which is just a BR tag. It's a break tag, and what it does is it includes a space between elements of the page. So if you see the thing, the paragraph tag move down a bit, that's the basic use for the break tag. Now, another thing I want to tell actually is, you might be wondering how to push this a little to the right, since this is a paragraph, and that is actually denoted by this. And you see it turns purple in Notepad+, and because this is a special character word, and created by W3, and this is used to put space in horizontal space rather in web page. So you can see it moved a little bit over there. See, there's no space over here. So, and if you view source, that thing over there is gonna be there. So that's it for the HTML basics course. If you stayed here all along, congratulations, you've learned the basics of HTML. Now you may have questions, so I'm going to open up a new window. I'm going to put, for questions, you could go to LearnersToDevelopers.com and just click on the forums and post your question. You could also email me your questions at gmail.com. So you can also email me your questions over there. Unfortunately, I might not be able to answer all your questions, but I will be able to answer or at least look over some of them. And you can also request videos, and I ask you to request videos through here. Other sources to check out: w3schools.com. And if you could pay, if you're willing to pay for this, this is the lynda.com has a very good selection of HTML courses, much more extensible than what I've taught over here. And the minimum is $25 a month, however, and you might not be willing to spend that much amount of money, but if you stick with me throughout the courses that I release, I can pretty much assure you that you will get to that level, which lynda.com or any paid subscription will teach you, because HTML is a language and anyone is capable of learning it. Just to show you, I'm going to go to Lynda, and I'm going to come here and search for HTML, and it has, actually I'm going to come here to software, search for HTML, sorry, and it has some HTML courses. This one is very helpful, HTML and XHTML essential training. It's very extensible, as you can see. I've only covered a portion of it, and I've covered basics. Now, after this, I will be releasing the CSS videos, and CSS is used for styling. So I urge you to check out my website, and oh yeah, sorry, I forgot the social media aspects. Twitter is, my thing is learn to dev, and you can also check out my blog. And you can also check out that blog.learnerstodevelopers.com. And it'll actually for now go to that is the link for now. That will be coming soon, so I'm going to denote that, coming soon. And this is the blog. This is my blog right now, and I'll try to update it once I post this video. So hopefully this course helped, and I urge you to please keep following if you're very interested in learning web pages, and we'll be going along and we'll make some exciting applications. Okay, bye, see ya, and also comment and rate, and I thank you for watching. Bye.